Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text template to overlay only in CapCut PC. Alright, so go to media and select for um, the main photo and select another photo as an overlay. So select to this image as an overlay, just put on top another clip. Alright, I'm just going to select cutout and select chroma key. That's what it's saying. Oops. Sorry, I'm just going to select auto cutout. Alright. So done, I'm just going to add this sticker and I'm just going to select text template and I'm just going to add this template. Just download it. Alright. So split, remove, and I'm just going to change supported text. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to add this text template to overlay only. So I'm just going to select the overlay and text template, right click and select create compound clip. So you can move this overlay and this text template will the yeah, will follow that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.